In this video, we talk about the spindle. Okay, previously we talked about the oscillating blade. Now let's talk about spindle. Unless you make a program, which you can check other video, in normal graphics, same like the oscillating blade. Let's first draw something. You will see the idea. Draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. Okay. First thing, same. You need to give it a layer color. You see, like green now. You give it a layer color, then you can go to layer option. In the layer option, you can have multiple layer, but now it's a green one we are doing. First, you need to set it yes for output. Otherwise, it won't happen anything. Then you need to choose CNC. T1 means the spindle. This is oscillating blade. This is do nothing. So you can change the clockwise, counterclockwise of the direction of moving and the speed of spindle. Then here is how deep, how thick of the material. Same like oscillating blade, the bottom is for spindle, for 0 point. Oh, and also if you really cut by spindle, remove this mat, only cut directly on the spoil board. Okay. Then use the spoil board 0 and 0. Then material thickness, and then final depth, see how deep you want to go. Normally deeper than the material, so you can cut through. Normally too much, maybe 5.5 enough, if in this case. Then every pass, how deep you go. If you want one pass to do everything, then of course you do the same. Okay, this is punch, it means how fast it go down. Okay, then it's you straightly go down like that, or it's actually called ramp start. It's like that. If you may use your finger, it's like that, go down. Okay, then if it's with the angle, then you choose the angle. Okay, then this is other doesn't matter option. Okay, once you done, you same like this, you create a file, and then just start. Okay, for the coordinates, you use G54 of the starting. Okay, same like the previously. And you just say once, you click, use current position or put a position. Okay. Then just people notice that this is only for cutting. If you want to do a pocket anything, you make a program at other place and load it the NC file. This is only for cutting, and it's only cutting on the line. So two diameter doesn't matter. You're only cutting on the line. So if you really want to cutting inside, then you have to do offset. Offset is here. Then its offset is here. You want to go inside, go outside. This is the distance, and how you deal with each situation. Okay. And you can also automatically do that if you really go to parameter at the file. Go to the parameter at the file. It's have this automatically expansion, automatically. So every time you open a vector file, it automatically resize for you. Okay, this is what it means. Same as manually by the sizing. Okay, after that you just start the job. Okay, like normal spindle thing. Same apply for the processing of the speed. Okay, to apply the spindle.